So today is the day that Painless goes off to Gary Bergeron. He's going to breed Gary's cow. Here's a look at Painless the bull. Say hello, Painless. Painless, look this way. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Yeah, that's Painless the bull. Say hello, Painless. Whoa. And this is his girlfriend that's going with him. She's white 30, and you can see already he's got a little bit of love on his mind. Yes, Painless. His name is Painless because we got him as a calf, and he had some holes in his side, and we had to medicate them, and he showed absolutely no pain, and we dealt with those. And you can see he's too busy talking to his girlfriend, his new girlfriend, to be interested in us. But there he is. Isn't he a big-looking, handsome boy? So we're going to leave Painless here, and I'm going to get the trailer, and then you'll see his new home when he ends up in Hollis. I think he's very excited. You looking forward today, Painless? You looking forward to your new home? Or are you going to have some grain? Okay. Check back with you later from Miles Smith Farm.